In the fast-moving world of action cameras, every year brings new promises. But 2025 feels different, because the upcoming DJI Osmo Action 6 is already setting the internet on fire with leaks, whispers, and speculation that could completely reshape how we think about portable filmmaking. And if even half of what's being rumored turns out true, GoPro should start worrying right now, because DJI seems ready to drop something seriously revolutionary. According to multiple credible leaks, the Osmo Action 6 is expected to feature a larger 1.1-inch CMOS sensor, and that single upgrade alone could change everything. A bigger sensor means more light, more detail, and a true cinematic look even in low-light scenes, which has always been the Achilles heel of small action cams. Imagine capturing a midnight ride through Los Angeles or a sunset surf session in Malibu and seeing the kind of rich dynamic range and clarity you normally only get from professional cameras. But the big surprise isn't just the sensor. It's the rumor that DJI is introducing a variable aperture lens that shifts between f2.0 and f4.0, something unheard of in this category. That means you'll be able to shoot in bright daylight or dim interiors without the overexposed skies or crushed shadows that make footage look amateurish. In short, DJI might be about to give creators real control over depth of field and exposure, something no GoPro has done before. The leaks also mention massive video upgrades. With 8K recording at 30 frames per second, 5.3K at 60 FPS, and 4K at 120 FPS, delivering mind-blowing sharpness and slow-motion clarity that could make even Hollywood editors raise an eyebrow. Combine that with DJI's next-generation Rocksteady 5.0 stabilization system, which promises horizon leveling and unmatched motion smoothing even when you're sprinting, biking, or skydiving, and it feels like the Osmo Action 6 is blurring the line between pocket camera and pro gear. What's even more intriguing are reports of smartwatch integration, allowing real-time data from devices like the Apple Watch or Garmin to overlay on your footage. Things like heart rate, GPS position, altitude, or dive depth automatically synced through the DJI Mimo app, making your sports or travel videos not just immersive but informational too. Think about it. Your morning run in Central Park could show your exact pace, heartbeat, and route right on screen, with zero editing. Battery life also seems to get a serious boost. Leaks point to a 190-50 mAh cell with up to 4 hours of continuous 4K recording, and with fast charge support rumored to hit 80% in under 20 minutes. It's clear DJI is targeting creators who hate downtime. Design-wise, leaked renders show a slightly larger lens housing, dual touchscreens with higher brightness, a tougher grip texture, and subtle curved edges that make it easier to hold without extra gear. It still keeps that familiar rugged feel, waterproofing and magnetic mounting system, but looks more premium than before. Now about price. Early reports from TechRadar and Notebook Check predict a starting point around $329 in the US. And if that sticks, it's a brilliant move because it undercuts GoPro while offering features GoPro doesn't even dream of. Some insiders claim DJI could officially announce it before November 10th, 2025, which means we might be just days away from a reveal that shakes the market. Of course, we have to be careful. These are leaks, not confirmed specs, and some details, like the exact sensor size or whether 8K will actually ship, could change before launch. But even if only half of it proves true, the Osmo Action 6 is shaping up to be DJI's boldest innovation since the original drone revolution. For creators, vloggers, and adventure junkies, this means one thing: less compromise. Imagine filming a mountain bike trail in Colorado with buttery stabilization, perfectly exposed highlights, and your live altitude data overlaying on screen, all in 8K clarity. Or recording your road trip through Nevada's desert where every dust particle glows in golden sunlight, and you don't worry about heat or battery dying halfway. DJI is clearly designing this for modern storytelling, compact yet cinematic, intelligent yet simple. There's also talk of software magic, with the updated DJI Mimo app adding automatic AI-edited highlight reels, instant cloud uploads, and new LUTs that mimic Hollywood color science, meaning you can shoot, edit, and post from your phone without ever touching a desktop. That's huge for content creators who live on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels, because speed matters as much as quality. It's fascinating how DJI has quietly built an entire creator ecosystem. Drones for aerials, the Pocket series for handheld shots, and now a flagship action cam that ties it all together. If this works as rumored, GoPro's long-held dominance could end right here. But what makes this story exciting isn't just the specs, it's the timing. GoPro has been playing safe, refining instead of reinventing, while DJI seems to be embracing risk and innovation. A variable aperture, 8K in a pocket cam, smartwatch data overlays. These are features borrowed from high-end cameras and fitness tech, and blending them into one product could redefine the category. It's the convergence of action, adventure, and intelligence. Picture yourself hiking at night under the stars, and your Osmo Action 6 automatically brightens the scene, balances color, and keeps every movement smooth. Or filming a waterfall close-up, switching from f2.0 for dreamy background blur to f4.0 for crisp landscape depth, all without touching complicated menus. DJI wants you to just live the moment while the tech handles the rest. And for American audiences, especially outdoor enthusiasts, cyclists, vloggers, and travel filmmakers, this is the kind of innovation that speaks directly to their lifestyle: freedom, flexibility, and storytelling on the go. The rumored $329 price makes it accessible enough for students, adventurers, and weekend creators who want professional results without paying over $500. In practical terms, it means more competition, better deals, and ultimately more creativity flooding platforms like YouTube. The design leaks also reveal an aesthetic shift: darker tones, matte finishes, and premium build materials that make it look more like a mini mirrorless than a toy. Some insiders even say DJI might offer an adventure kit bundle with mounts, extra batteries, and ND filters at launch, further appealing to creators who want to start shooting immediately. Meanwhile, GoPro's Hero 13 Black, despite its excellent Hypersmooth 6.0 stabilization, could look outdated beside DJI's larger sensor and variable lens. But beyond rivalry, what's truly impressive is how far action cameras have evolved. We're talking about a device that fits in your palm, shoots 8K, survives a 10-meter dive, stabilizes like a gimbal, syncs with your watch, edits with AI, and costs less than most smartphones. That's mind-blowing progress. And if DJI also improves audio capture, as some leaks mention with new directional mics and noise reduction, this could become the all-in-one creator's dream. Imagine narrating your hike, your voice crystal clear against the wind and waves. For travel vloggers, moto riders, and daily content makers, that alone could justify the upgrade. So what happens next? We wait. The official reveal could drop anytime, and when it does, expect a flood of comparison videos, real-world tests, and debates over whether 8K is overkill or the future. But one thing's certain: the Osmo Action 6 has already succeeded in sparking curiosity, and curiosity drives views, sales, and innovation. Whether you're Team DJI or Team GoPro, this kind of competition is great news for creators everywhere. So, as we count down the days, think about what kind of footage you could capture with this beast. From skate parks to skydives, from city nights to wild trails, all sharper, brighter, and smoother than ever before. Because if DJI delivers what these leaks promise, we're not just getting another camera. We're witnessing the next leap in digital storytelling. So stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, and get ready, because the DJI Osmo Action 6 might just change the action cam world forever.